Rice crackers. Okay. So these are new from Crunchmaster, made from avocado. No artificial flavors. It's vegan, it's gluten-free. And this is avocado toast. This is the salt and pepper one. Okay. All right. This crunchy baked rice crackers. I don't usually do rice crackers, guys. But I thought that they were vegan. I wanted to try them. But they smell like pepper. So shiny. Cute. Ready? Cheers. These are very good. For 12 crackers, it's 130 calories and 2 grams of protein. 2.5 total fat. There's 3.5 servings in here. These are very, very good. Hang on. I want to show you something interesting. Hold on. I just did a vegan taste test on these. It's the same company, same brand, same everything. Only this is the ultimate everything. This is basically the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. These are good. I think these would be good over salad. Now the reason why I'm showing these in this video is I said I wasn't gonna buy these again. Like, I like them. I'm not the rice cracker kind of person. And I said I was never gonna buy these again. Hold on, let me taste these again. They're good. But dear God, these are better. I would buy these again. Yeah. I just taste like the more you get the ultimate what is this called again? The ultimate everything seasoning for the first few bites, and then the bulk of the foundation of the sesame comes in. But this, the salt and pepper one, I think they had other flavors. The salt and pepper one, salt and pepper, it's so basic, right? Hands down, this is the win. This one kicks this one's ass on who would win. I would have never thought that this one would be the loser, honest to God. This one, hands down, I would definitely buy this again. I would buy this. This is a great snack for like when I'm driving to and from work. This is something like to hold me up, you know, aside from fruit. So boring. Anyways, very good. Very, very good. Yes, I would buy this again. I think I need water because that pepper is kicking in. Not that bad, but I'm being crybabies are us. Yes, I would buy this again. This is good. It's just saying. Let me know if you've seen this brand anywhere else, because like I said, I got this over at Woodman's Market, and it's new. Maybe I just haven't seen it at Mariano's and Jewel, and they're just putting it on the shelves. I have no idea. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. God bless. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.